Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday morning, September 2nd, 2025, and we have a great mix of legal headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Sasha Moore wins 2025 Siegfried and Jensen Truth, Justice, and Fairness Scholarship. Sasha Moore has been awarded the 2025 Siegfried and Jensen Truth, Justice, and Fairness Scholarship for her dedication to helping accident victims. Moore, a victim of vehicular negligence, will use the $2,500 scholarship to complete her M.B.A. at Western Governors University. She aims to improve victim support and hopes to transition into the healthcare field post-graduation. Moore emphasizes the importance of having advocates for personal injury victims. Students interested in applying for next year's scholarship can learn more about the criteria on the scholarship's website. Siegfried and Jensen's personal injury lawyers have been advocating for accident survivors since 1990, offering free consultations for those seeking legal support. Patel Law Group changes name to Patel, Sony, Barsness, and Prescott with the promotion of 2 equity partners. Patel Law Group, a leading Texas-based boutique law firm, is changing its name to PSBP Law, or Patel, Sony, Barsness, and Prescott, with the promotion of 2 existing partners to equity partners. Chris Prescott, leading the Immigration Department, and Chris Barsness, leading the Corporate and Securities Department, are now equity partners alongside Rakesh Patel, Anish Patel, and Shamir Soni. The firm will transition to the new name over the next few months. Chris Prescott, with over 15 years of immigration experience, represents clients in employment-based and family-based matters. Chris Barsness, with 24 years of experience, focuses on business transactions, financings, investment funds, M&A, and securities. The change reflects the firm's dedication to expanding and exceeding client expectations in various legal areas. Existing clients can expect the same excellent service under the new name. PSBP Law provides efficient, results-driven legal services to local, regional, and international clients in immigration, real estate, estate planning, and corporate law.
Timber Trespass? Welts, White, and Fontaine PC weighs in on NPR. Attorney Israel Piedra, a lead personal injury lawyer at Welts, White, and Fontaine PC, recently discussed a timber trespass case on NPR's Morning Edition. A neighbor on Nantucket faces criminal charges for cutting down trees on a $10 million property to improve their view. Timber trespass cases, common in New England, often stem from confusion over property lines. Mr. Piedra is currently working on 24 active tree law cases in New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Maine, and Vermont. While few cases result in criminal charges, victims typically seek compensation through civil lawsuits. Welts, White, and Fontaine's lawyers focus on recovering compensation for those injured by negligence, including cases of timber trespass. Property owners in New England facing property rights violations are encouraged to contact the firm's premises liability lawyer in Nashua for assistance.
Perez Mayoral Trailblazer Scholarship winner announced. The Perez Mayoral PA legal team is excited to announce Mackenzie Manofsky as the 2025 winner of the Trailblazer Scholarship. Mackenzie, an honors graduate from Washington University in St. Louis, will be attending the University of Miami School of Law. With a background in international and area studies, economics, and Chinese language and culture, Mackenzie is passionate about supporting small businesses and nonprofit agencies in her South Florida community. Selected from over 1,000 applicants, Mackenzie's leadership experience and dedication to academic success make her an ideal recipient of the Perez Mayoral Trailblazer Scholarship. Congratulations, Mackenzie, and best of luck in your future endeavors. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.